All right, Saturday morning, we've got beautiful fabrics for you, and I'm just so excited to bring them to you. You ready? They're going to be all $9.99, except one, but all $9.99. This is a beautiful, this is the green. It goes into spring. Oh, I can't remember the name already. Desert? No, I can't remember the name, but it's really popular, and it's not just winter. This is a French terry, so it's a perfect combination fabric. It's got stretch in both directions, 100% cotton, lovely piece of fabric. We've got this camo, which you guys know camo is still everywhere. And this camo blends with this camo perfectly. I love this camo. I love it because it's got the gold and the cream. It's kind of works for all different skin tones. It's got the black. It's really nice. It's got stretch in both directions. It is 100% cotton also. Beautiful. Again, $9.99, you all. Oh my goodness. This I did because it's 100% cotton. It's a black. It's a stretch woven. It's like it should be the fabric of the year. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Just for whatever, 100% cotton also. Just great. We also have this 100% cotton. This is my cotton crusade, you guys. And these are all Ralph Lauren, and these are all what they're calling the renewable cottons. So, you know, responsible, whatever they're calling them. I probably don't talk about that enough because we've got so many designers who are on board with that. This is a navy. It's a deep navy. It's a stretch woven. Again, 100% cotton. Beautiful piece of fabric. Beautiful. You can see the drape is lovely. There's just the wrinkling is just not there. Then we have this. Now, some of these fabrics, you guys, we have had at the store, and we just have such low inventories, and so that's why it's easy for me to put them up, because we just don't have good representation at the store. There's a puzzle piece. It's a cotton poly. There's not a lot of yardage left, but it blends so beautifully with the blacks and the blues, so I just had to put up what we had left. And then this, drum roll please, is a silk, Ralph Lauren, silk twill. It's a silk twill. It's beautiful. 100% silk. It's not a stretch. It's a woven. I mean, it's got a little bit of mechanical stretch to it, but it's a beautiful piece of silk twill. This is only $12.99. Everything's $9.99 except the one is $12.99. But it's a beautiful. It's Marlin is the new color for spring. It's beautiful now, don't get me wrong, but it's called Marlin. If you'll check out Marlin, the color Marlin for spring 2024, that's the color it is. Not a navy, not a it's blue, anyway, called Marlin. Very pretty. So happy sewing with great fabrics from Silhouette Patterns.